Hello students, in this video I'm just going to be modeling what a journal should look like. It is on our journal expectations. This is the same for Vogue. You will type your journal on a Google Doc. You'll be provided the first 5 minutes or so at the start of class to journal. These are also going to be your attendance assignments for remote learning. Journals should be a minimum of 6 to 7 sentences. You should be writing for that whole amount of time, so it could be really any amount of sentences. And each journal is worth 2 points. So let's go ahead and go back here. I'm going to go ahead and start the timer. The prompt that I chose was think back to your first day of freshman year. Did your high school experience go as you expected it to? So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and you can just watch my screen to see how I type and how I approach this journal. exit out of that timer. So as you can see here, I do have an unfinished sentence. I could finish that, but I'm going to go ahead and erase it. So it looks like right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 sentences. I said your goal was around 5 to 6 to 7, so I wrote for that whole 4 minutes. I got that many sentences. I have full faith that you guys can do that too. I just want to model a little journal. It's a really great time for reflection. I hadn't thought about some of these things in a long time. So journaling is a great tool to help you practice your writing, and I hope you enjoy it this year. Thanks.